Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting function as SAS, which is SYSFUNC, SYSFUNC, how to use it, where to use it, and what are some of the common interview questions around it. But before that, I would like to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us and keeps us more motivated in bringing up new videos around SAS environment topics. So why does SysFunc exist? Everyone knows that we have data step functions that we can execute. But what if we want to execute a data macro function inside a data step? Then you need the %sysfunc. So macros cannot execute data step functions directly. Macro languages runs at compile time. So in order to bridge this gap between data step execution and macro language execution, we have %sysfunc. The basic syntax of sysfunc is that you give a sysfunc, then function and argument, and the format if you want to give. We'll see the examples later in this video. So basic example, person led today, sysfunc today, and then the format. Uh, Now we'll go to one important, what is the difference between sysfunc and QSYSFUNC? So sysfunc resolves macro triggers. QSYSFUNC also does the same but masks special characters. So it is always advisable to use QSYSFUNC when output contains ampersand, person, quotes, all those kinds of things. Another usage of sysfunc is to, if you want to use it into an OS interaction, let's say you want to check if a file exists or if a path name exists, or if you want to retrieve SAS paths, you can use this very much. Debugging and performance, it has no issues. You can use the common debugging options, which is options mprint, mlogic, symbolgen. Macro execution cost is very minimal, so sysfunc doesn't impact any cost or runtime of your existing code. Now we'll see some examples. So let's say you want to store a macro with the name today and with the today's date. Let's see what happens if we try to use without sysfunc. So SAS doesn't understand that you are invoking a function. It just stores today as a variable. But let's say you want to invoke the today function, then you have to use sysfunc, and now we have the date 5th of January 2026. Now some interview questions around this are using int nx and ck. I've covered two of them here. So let's say you want to get the last day of the previous month, so you can use the sysfunc inside the month as your modifier, and end of the month, so last day of the previous month, which is 31st December 2025. Similarly, if you want to get the first day of the current year, then the modifier we have to use is beginning of the year. The context or the interval is year, and today's date, there's no increment, 0. So first day of the current year, so we get it as 1st of January 2026. Now the difference between sysfunc and qsysfunc, let's say you have a text which is a ampersand b, and you want to replace the ampersand with the letter and, a and d, and if you try to run this will not run because sysfunc doesn't understand if it has to mask or not, so it says apparent symbol not resolved. Now if I run the same thing with qsysfunc, you can see that we don't get the warning and the output is a and b. So sysfunc resolves macro triggers, qsysfunc masks special characters. So if you have any, the golden rule is that if you have any function in which output might contain ampersand, percent, quotes, always use qsysfunc. Another example I told you is to check the if the file exists function. So I have this file. We'll see if this file exists or not. If it exists, the return code is 1. If it doesn't exist, then it is 0. So since this file exists, the return code is 1. Let's say I add a extension to make it unavailable. Now the return code is 0. So you can use this also. Yeah, that's it for the today. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.